So this pose is called plow pose. There are two ways to get into this pose. One is to hold your short handles and pull yourself up, so there's some videos on that, but this is a beginner's way to get into this pose. So I'm going to turn my back to you, excuse me. You're still going to pop yourself up into your seat. So make sure that your seat is not all twisted. And do your little shimmy. And grab hold of your short handles here to do that shimmy. And then you want to come down, and this is an opportunity to use your middle handles, if that feels good for you. Grab hold of them and take your feet all the way back. So from this position, you can hang out here. You're fully supported by your sling. It's really a beautiful way to experience this pose. And there are two ways to come out of it. One is to just look up at your feet, take your legs all the way forward and come out, yeah? And the other way is to come all the way into the pose. And if you're feeling a little bit adventurous, you can hold onto your handles and send yourself around. So usually your trapeze wouldn't go all over your head, but so that's the other way. So you can come out just the normal way, or you can do a little flip.